Today on my friend Chantel, I'm going to show you how to do a beautiful boho-inspired bridal look. I've already gone ahead and preset Chantel's hair with a large curling iron. Now I'm going to section away the front. Using non-marking clips, I'm going to hold in place exactly where I'd like the parting to be. With the front pinned away, I'm using my tail comb to section away the crown of this hairstyle. I want to make sure that there's a nice soft texture, so I'm not going to hold the hair too tight, and I'm going to rake everything gently into my hand. Using a clear hair elastic, I'm now going to tie this in place. Once that's in place, I'm going to pull out a few pieces just so everything looks really nice and soft. Adding a little bit of hairspray, just to make sure I get the right texture. Now I'm going to grab a little bit of hair from the side and crisscross it over the center section of hair. I like to use my large Japanese bobby pins to hold these in place. Because of their tight grip, I only need to use one. Doing the same thing on the opposite side and twisting it ever so slightly so it adds even more texture. If I feel like the pin is slipping, I can always crisscross at the top to ensure that it's got an even tighter grip. Once again, I'm going to use a little bit more hairspray just to make sure that I have a nice soft finish. Now I'm going to take one more elastic and I'm going to pull everything and tie it together. Tying it once, and then on the second tie, I'm going to leave just the bottom half in a loop. This is going to serve as a base. Making sure that my texture matches the top, I'm going to pull a little bit of hair out also. Now I'm going to wrap the hair around the base of the elastic, making sure that it looks similar in size and in texture to the bottom half of the hair. Using a jumbo U-pin, I can pin these in place and make sure I love how everything looks and that it's nice and balanced. Now I'm going to use a Topsy tail. This little tool is perfect because I can slide it into the hair and then use it to help push the hair through effortlessly. For symmetry, I'm going to do the same thing on the opposite side. Now going on to the front, removing my non-marking clip, adding a little bit more volume, and then pinning it back and away. Then using a little bit more hairspray to hold everything in place. I'm going to do the same thing on the opposite side. And once I love everything, I'm going to go ahead and add my finishing touch. This time I'm going to use the Marquise cut CZ headband, as well as my Marquise Magic Duo pins in the back. I've actually added a third pin to add a little bit of extra drama. Just because something's boho, it doesn't mean it can't have a little bit of dazzle.